Hello everyone who's been a victim of catalytic theft or waiting to be. If you like to get your catalytic protected with one of these high security devices, the steel wires and combination of steel wires and the plate fitted underneath the chassis, like this, and with this air vent holes, it doesn't get overheated as well. And this is the inside, all the wires. It's locked completely, the catalytic converter itself, and the bolts, the main manifold bolts, it's inside there, the manifold bolts. And this is two different clamps, three different clamps actually put together. So one is the steel wires and the plate, and also the neck, manifold, the neck is locked. So the cost is about 250 pounds. We do these locks with Honda Jazz, Toyota Prius Plus, Auris, Lexus RX 400H, CT 200H, Honda CRV, or many other models. Okay, if you need our help, we are Mrcarmax Limited, Harrow. Telephone number is the one on the display, or 078 4942 4747. Thank you.